Actually saw on YouTube where you worked with another gentleman that was in a wheelchair. And I was like, hey, he works with us. So that's what made me call and make an appointment.
It automatically bent back.
Yeah, it relaxed. Holy cow.
Okay.
That's unusual.
Is it?
Yes. Sweet bearded baby Jesus. Holy cow.
Go for round 3.
Okay.
What you got going on?
Well, I have cerebral palsy, so I am tight.
Okay.
All over.
Okay.
Tightness. Back, shoulders, especially. Wheel in the wheelchair. I've got all the itises. Arthritis, tendonitis, all that good stuff.
All the itises.
Yeah, all the itises.
In your shoulder and your elbow.
Yes.
Okay. Well, I mean, I can imagine you're
Yeah.
Yeah.
like that.
Constant repetitive motion, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yep.
Man. Okay.
And I don't think your muscles help, they just make it tighter.
Yeah.
That's
Everything
what
just
struggle
keeps getting
with.
tighter and
Yeah.
tighter.
Yeah. Well, and as I'm aging, I'm not as obviously as flexible.
Oh, yeah.
You know. But as far as I'm concerned, that walking stuff's overrated. You know. I tried to sign up for a 12-step program one time. I never made it past the first one. I'm still working on it.
Oh, man. How was, because I saw 2 months ago been adjusted.
Yes.
How was it?
Good. It's good maintenance,
Okay.
but number one, a lot of people don't want to work on us.
Yep.
It's hard to find a doctor, and number two, a lot of them are very soft, very easy.
Yep,
And
yep.
when you're tight, that doesn't help a lot.
No, not at all.
Yeah.
And not really doing probably much anything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
I bet it moves right back into plate, like
Yeah.
out of alignment.
Right back out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because the
Yeah.
muscle's probably wanting to pull it
Oh, yeah.
out, I would assume. I don't know.
Yep.
Man, all right. Let's get you adjusted.
Okay.
You want me to pick your chair or something?
Oh, you can. I'm gonna have you rotate my feet here in a minute. Hang on, I'm gonna stand up.
Okay.
Well, kind of.
Kind of.
Yes. Here, actually, I'm just going to use your.
Perfect.
And then just kind of lay across the table is what I'm looking for.
Okay.
I'm gonna move your chair, okay?
Yeah. So there, one step. There we go. And then,
I'll spin you.
yep, give me a little spin rooski. There we go. And then I'll go wherever you need me to be.
Oh, you are good. There we go. Whew. Man, you can feel
Tight?
that tightness. Oh
Yeah.
my gosh, yeah.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, up top and the neck, all this just going down. Whew.
Mm-hmm.
Your whole body's pretty much that way, isn't it?
Yeah, and that's even with backlifting.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can do what you need to do.
I gotcha.
I mean, you know, the worst that can happen, I won't be able to walk anymore. Don't worry, I can walk in, right? It's okay.
It's not a big deal.
Oh, I love it. Gotta have a sense of humor, huh?
Yeah, you know, I thought about being a stand-up comedian, then I realized I can't stand up. So I gotta do something different.
Alright, we're gonna start with the massage gun first. Just wanna relax everything as much as we can.
Oh, that looked nice. There we go. Wow. That's amazing.
Because I know, even like you were saying, the chiropractors that you see, everyone does things very gentle and.
Well, it is the other gentleman you just saw. It's really quick too, really fast.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, he doesn't take his time. To me.
There we go. Okay.
It kind of feels like a long car ride to you, is what I'm guessing. You know how you feel kind of stiff and sore?
Yeah,
That's pretty much how I feel.
constantly.
Yeah, yeah. That's the.
Yeah, that doesn't sound fun.
That's good too. I didn't know your tailbone would crack like that. Oh, that was a good one too. I felt that one deep.
Good. Yeah, we gotta get things moved, because I mean, it sounds like you've really never gotten things moved before.
Oh, and part of it too is I'm a bigger guy, so a lot of the, you know, they just don't want to handle me.
Yeah, they're not using the strength that they should be.
Oh, that was a good one too. Like, I don't know if you can hear that, but I can feel it for sure. That was another one.
Good. Alright, fun part. Let's
Yep.
get you to flip onto your back.
It's okay. That was on purpose. Because what I'm trying to do now is like roll, kind of. Yep.
Good.
I'm right here if you need my.
Yep. You knew what I was trying to do. It's ugly.
One more.
Here, just pull me however you need me to be.
I'm just coming just a little bit this way.
There you go.
Like that.
And let's center you out.
Okay. Didn't know you'd get your workout today too, did you?
Right?
Actually saw on YouTube where you worked with another gentleman that was in a wheelchair. And I was like, hey, he works with us. So that's what made me
Actually,
call and make an appointment.
you'll see, I just had a gentleman from Wisconsin that traveled down here.
Wow.
And I did like 4 days in a row with him.
Oh, wow.
And yeah, also wheelchair bound. And so, oh yeah.
Wow.
And
Very cool. Well, thank you for
Yes.
putting it on YouTube because that's the only way I found you.
That's how we found it.
Oh, yeah. Well, I mean, everyone needs the care. They need the pressure taken off their, their spine. And a lot of times, you get someone like you. One, even like you said, you're a bigger guy, and then obviously you get chiropractors that are almost afraid to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They are. Yeah.
Yeah.
Where, like already, I know with those drops, I was getting some good force, some great movement in there too.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that was cool. Oh, I like that. That's unusual for me. That's like, wow, what is that?
Get those legs stretched out.
Yeah. I might be 5 inches taller.
It automatically bent back.
Yeah, it relaxed. Holy cow.
Okay.
That's unusual.
Is it?
Yes.
Again. So that stayed in held. Same thing there. Let's get one more each here.
It's like your kneecap. Ah, in your hip.
I was gonna say it's like a whip.
Yeah.
Probably part both with that. And then let this arm just.
Okay. Oh. Again, something I didn't know could pop. Oh, that was a good one.
Yeah. Now this is going to be a first for you, I would imagine.
Yes. Yes. Oh, wow. Oh, good Lord. Oh, sweet bearded baby Jesus. Holy cow. If I didn't know any better, I think I could walk right now. Oh, my Lord. That like popped all the way down.
Good.
Like, wow. Whew.
Good, yeah.
Man.
Catch your breath.
Good Lord.
Hurt a little bit. So
Yeah.
when I started,
Yeah.
kind of the little
Yeah.
side to side,
Yeah.
I heard a little click, click, click.
Yeah.
And then
Yeah.
when I pulled, the Velcro kind of
Yeah.
took away from the rest. But I know you.
Yeah. Yeah.
I know you felt it.
Yes. Yeah, that was amazing.
You ready for round two?
Yeah. Do again, do again. I'm not complaining. I am not complaining. Oh, that was deeper. That was a good one. Oh, oh. Yeah. Wow.
See, that's what you've been needing.
Yeah. Yeah. Again, things I didn't know could pop, I think just popped. And maybe it's different for you able-bodied people, but holy cow.
What did you feel with that one?
Just deeper. Like it was, I think because it had relaxed a little bit from before.
Yeah.
It just like got even lower, I think.
Good.
Because the first one was mainly upper back.
Yeah.
This one was mainly middle lower
Gotcha.
to me.
Okay, so each a little bit different.
Yeah.
Let's go for round three.
Okay.
Get a little bit more here. Figured that last one a
Yes.
little bit left.
Yes. But that was good. That was good.
Heck yeah.
The second one was the biggest one.
Was it?
Yeah, but yeah, that's nice. I don't know where you learned that, but that's pretty amazing.
First doc that I worked for
Really?
taught me that technique, yeah.
That's pretty cool.
And then that was when I started researching everything about it and
That's pretty neat.
had that going. Yeah, keep that like that.
Oh, cool. Awesome.
How'd that feel?
That feels really good.
A little bit different, getting adjusted
and-
like this?
Yeah, and just not as. I feel like things are more open, if that makes sense.
Oh,
not as
100%.
tight, not as. I don't feel like a spring.
Good.
It's kind of stuck. You know what I mean?
Heck yeah.
Whereas now, like I said, I might be an inch and a half taller now. But yeah, it's just, it's weird. And again, because I don't walk, it's a different sensation
Yeah.
to me, like something I'm not really used to.
Oh, yeah, well, I could
So,
imagine.
yeah. So it's pretty neat. It's
Heck
not, yeah.
See, I wish there was somebody closer to you that you could get care like this.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I think that's what you need.
Yeah.
Because, yeah, if you picture, like, if you're getting this done, like, once a month or once every other month even, like, you'd
Yeah.
really start seeing
Yeah.
crazy differences.
That's pretty neat. That's pretty cool.
Because, yeah, that's going to just start loosening everything up. Because for you, everything, neck, upper back, like,
Yeah.
basically the entire back, but
Just super tight.
Yep.
Yeah. 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 Well, like I said, I put you through your paces today. Thank you. Thank you. You're like, oh great, I don't have to go to the gym tonight. Wherever I gotta flip back sideways again.
Pivot like on friends.
Yes, like the
Which way are
couch.
you going?
I'm gonna go this way for now, but I'm gonna end up
Yeah.
on my stomach again, like I was.
Oh, you
And
want to
then
go
I'll-
onto your stomach?
Yeah, because then I'll stand up and then.
Oh, okay. So I'll
you
pivot
see-
you, I'll pull you.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yep. Let's get you.
I'm still popping.
Rest right there for a second.
Yes.
Let's get this guy up here.
That's pretty neat.
That's awesome.
It's the simple things in life, but that's pretty cool. It's pretty neat. Wow. Good Lord.
How do you feel? Most of
Awesome. Awesome. Like, I can see why people say they're a little bit lightheaded, and I guess that's like blood flow, but that's pretty neat.
Oh yeah.
It's,
Because it just takes so much pressure off all the nerves, and then you start feeling more blood flow.
Yeah.
Everything just kind of feels looser, a little bit
Oh,
lighter,
absolutely.
just open.
yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Like, wow. I can see. Wow, that's pretty neat.
Awesome.
That's, wow.
This is how you need to be feeling, and this is how you need to get adjusted,
Yeah.
where you
Yeah.
actually see and feel a change.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
Well, and not that you're too hard, but you're harder than most of the chiropractors I've worked with before.
Yeah.
So, and you can definitely feel the difference.
Yeah.
You know, as like I said, especially with somebody that's tight already. That, well, yeah, I'm sure you felt it. It's like, you know, 1, 2, 3.
Oh yeah. Well, that's
You know.
why, like, even with the job tables, I mean,
Yeah.
you can do the job tables very light, but I'm dropping. And,
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
I'm making sure.
I think that's what he needs.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah, because it definitely popped. It definitely.
Yeah.
Could you hear it?
Yeah.
You
At
could-
times, not
Yeah.
when the table was.
Yeah, when
Yeah.
the table, then this just buffers out the noise.
Yeah.
But
Yeah. Yeah, no, it definitely, it was like, I was like, oh yeah, that's all right. And like I said, some things I didn't know popped. I was like, well, hey, that's cool. So, well, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
You are fabulous.
Thank you.
Greatly appreciate the help.
of course, I'm here.